Good afternoon, everyone. Philip Norton here from Norton Trading, and today we're going to take a look at TNDM. Now, most of you know that we've been watching the stock quite a bit over the last couple of months, and things have really started to get volatile here over the last few weeks. You'll see we hit up there in the recent highs of 53 and then pulled back sharply, only to find a little bit of support around the long-term trend line and VWAP, and then pushed back up. However, over the last few days, we've been dropping pretty hard down, but maybe today we might have finally found a bottom, a reversal point, something we've been looking forward to. So today actually was a great day if you were a day trader to make quite a bit of money off the reversal. If we break this down, we'll go to the 5-minute chart and take a look at this. We shot down pretty early, all the way down to 34.19, bounced off pretty hard, came back down, retested to the penny 34.19, failed, and broke out hard again. Great, perfect reversal there, nice little double bottom, and then of course some big profits to be taken there, getting all the way up to 36.50, so in there, so almost $2.50 of a day trade there if you would have taken that. But what does that really mean for us on the daily chart and what we're looking at? So really this is what you're looking for when you're thinking of a reversal. Want a stock coming down, finding some support in a support line. You'll see this 34.19 line has been kind of tapped a few times before. So giving us a little bit of support here, sitting right above that 38.2 Fibonacci retracement line. So we found great support there. We bounced, and then not only did we bounce, but off the morning had that red to green move, giving us this downtrend into a nice little bullish doji for the reversal. So hopefully that comes to fruition and we can get some confirmation tomorrow. Of course, confirmation would be breaking the top of this candle for a higher high in that, so looking there around 36.75 or so tomorrow, we can break that and start to run up. I know a lot of you would like to see this start moving back toward highs. Now, if we do get the move forward, of course, I don't have to tell you what's going to happen if we break the lows, if we break 34.19 and we start to move even lower, but looking for a move back up, and if the reversal is coming true, what are we looking for the next points? And it's really important to watch these next couple of price targets in the coming days because of what we've seen, right? We were lower than the previous low. Our high was lower than that previous high, right? So we're starting to look like a downtrend. Not saying that we're completely in it yet, but we are starting to look like it, and you need to realize that that could be true. No matter how much you love the fundamentals of a stock and you're in love with the stock, you need to watch the technicals as well and see if this is something coming true and that we are going to start trending down. There's quite a number of stocks out there that are beloved stocks, making lots of money, and yet those stocks downtrend for 20, 30, 40% losses before they find a bottom and then start their move up again. So don't get caught in the downtrend if it is coming. However, we'll watch to see if that comes over the next few days. What we're seeing right now, though, if we get that reversal, the first thing we're going to hit back up into is this long-term trend line that we just recently broke. We did test that yesterday off the open when we gapped down. So we will test that. You'll see VWAP in here as well. That should be about the same as the long-term trend line. So over the next couple of days here in like that upper $38, $39 range. So we'll watch the price action when we get there. So if we are able to break through $39 and look, we probably will have a move back up, which I feel is more likely. With such a big fall down, we usually get a bigger bounce in that. And so then we would get a move back up, probably closer to $45, which would be this top of the channel. So definitely something we'll be watching as the stock starts to move up is what happens when it gets to the top of the channel. If we get back to the top of the channel and bounce hard down again, it's pretty much confirmation there that we're in a downtrend and we'll be probably moving lower or at least back down to retest this 34.19. So please watch that over the coming days. Watch the price action around those two levels. If we are getting pretty bearish price action and lots of selling around those two pivot points, it's a good chance to take some profits out before the move back down. If you really love the stock and you love the fundamentals of it long term, that might be an opportunity when we get back up to the top of the channel there to take some profits. If we end up breaking out of the channel and going higher there, can always get back in. But if we do bounce hard off that top of that channel, you could look then to watch what happens when we get back down here to the 34.19 or find a little bit of a bottom in that support to buy back in some of those shares that you sold when taking profits. All right, everyone. Thanks for listening. Have yourself a good night.